Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by importing your high frame rate footage and the clean audio track into your editor. This matters because slow motion shows timing errors. Align the reference vocal to frames, then mark key visemes, open, closed, lip corners, on the timeline. Once done, duplicate the video layer and label it for retiming so you can preserve the original. Make sure to keep a version at normal speed as a reference, because you will compare frame by frame while creating the slow motion lip sync. You now slow the clip using optical flow or high-quality frame interpolation, because naive frame doubling looks choppy. Once the retime is applied, scrub to each marked viseme and manually extend the exact frames that convey mouth shape. Hold a closed or open pose for 2-6 frames depending on speed. Then refine by nudging jaw, tongue, and cheek keyframes so movements feel physically plausible. Make sure to alternate proportionally. If you slow by 50%, increase pose duration roughly twofold for consistent articulation. You finish by matching the audio to the new slow motion timing. Either time stretch with a quality algorithm or re-record at slower delivery to retain natural timbre. Render short test segments at your target frame rate and examine consonant hits. If lips miss phonemes, go back and micro-shift those viseme keyframes. If you see warping from interpolation, fix it by replacing problem ranges with manually held frames or cleaned-up duplicates. One key troubleshooting tip: when optical flow
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.